I'm Phoebe. I'm 16, and I've been going to Canoa, a small surfing and fishing village, since I was 8. I've grown to love it as my home. About 2 weeks ago, a 7.8 earthquake flattened our town. The devastation is heartbreaking to me and to everyone else who knew Canoa. My closest friends have lost their homes, and most of the town is living outside with very little shelter. There is no power, running water, or sanitation. There is help, however. Food and water trucks, mattresses, and some medical supplies are being provided and are much appreciated. But that help cannot last forever, and people will still need things when those trucks pull out. Businesses, hotels, homes, and people have been lost. Out of this have come some extraordinary stories. My friend's 10-year-old cousin saved a baby from a falling building. A boy threw his brother off the balcony of their collapsing house to save him and then jumped off himself. A group of my young friends saved another friend of ours when he was buried up to the waist in rubble. Even more extraordinary survivors, the man whose head was caught between two mattresses, saving him from the fallen concrete that would have killed him. He, among others, a dog, a baby, an old woman, a young child, were all recovered after days buried in the ruins. There is hope. With some help from the outside, the town can be rebuilt and restored to its prior glory. My family and I lived through the earthquake, and after about a week we came back to the States hoping to help from here, as there is not much to do back in Canoa but wait. We hope also to return soon and help with the rebuilding of the town with whatever money we raise here, as well as getting kids back in school. The fund for schools in Canoa is going great, and with people's continuing generosity, Canoa will persevere.
Fill up your mind with all I can know. Don't forget that your body can let it all go. Fill up your mind with all I can know. What would we be without wishful thinking? Chambers of chains, of red plastic mounds, the inside or outside, no one has found how to unring the bell. It's just as well. The turntable sizzles, casting the spells, the pressure devices, hell in a nutshell. Is any song worth singing if it doesn't help? Fill up your mind with all it can know. Don't forget that your body will let it all go. Fill up your mind with all it can know. 'Cause what would love be without wishful thinking?
no habían hoteles.
Sí.
No habían hoteles
Ha
antes,
desarrollado más.
sino que ahorita desarrollado por lo que hay muchos turistas, muchas personas que han hecho sus hoteles, que han tenido plata, pues no, porque la gente de aquí, pues, obviamente no podía hacer un hotel.
Sí. ¿Y usted piensa que eso le ha hecho bien o mal al pueblo?
Bien.
Bien.
Ahora, Canoa ha mejorado más desde el